Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lead Entrance. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. This interface of the course is self-explanatory and user-friendly. In this video I will share chemistry question and solutions which help you grow your knowledge to the Lead Entrance exam. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's start with the question in this video tutorial. Read the question carefully. Question 1. The number of gram molecules of oxygen which can be obtained from 5 gram molecules of peroxy disulfuric acid are. Solution. 5 gram molecule of peroxydisulfuric acid is equal to 5 mole peroxydisulfuric acid, which is equal to 40 gram atom of oxygen, which is equal to 20 gram molecule of oxygen. Question 2. How many subshells are there in N shell? How many orbitals are there in D subshell? Solution. For N shell, principal quantum number N is equal to 4. Number of subshells in an energy level is equal to N. Number of subshells in N shell is equal to 4. For D subshell, L is equal to 2. Number of orbitals in a subshell is equal to 2 into L plus 1. Number of orbitals in a D subshell is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. Question 3. State which of the following sets of quantum numbers would be possible and which would not be permissible for an electron in an atom. 1. N is equal to 3, L is equal to 3, ml is equal to plus 3, ms is equal to plus 1 divided by 2. 2. N is equal to 3, L is equal to 0, ml is equal to plus 1, ms is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. 3. N is equal to 5, L is equal to 4, ml is equal to plus 3, ms is equal to 1. 4. N is equal to 0, L is equal to 0, ml is equal to 0, ms is equal to plus 1 divided by 2. 5. N is equal to 4, L is equal to 3, ml is equal to minus 2, ms is equal to minus 1 divided by 2. Solution. 1. Not possible because when N is equal to 3, L cannot be equal to 3. The value of L cannot be numerically equal to the value of N. 2. Not possible because when L is equal to 0, ml cannot be plus 1. The value of ml cannot be numerically more than the value of L. 3. Not possible because S cannot be 1. The only allowed values of ms are plus 1 divided by 2 and minus 1 divided by 2. 4. Not possible because N cannot be 0. 5. This set is permitted because when N is equal to 4, L can be 3. When L is equal to 3, ml can be minus 2. ms can have minus 1 divided by 2. Question 4. What is the maximum number of electrons that can be accommodated? 1. In the shell with N is equal to 3. 2. In the subshell with L is equal to 3. 3. In an orbital with ML is equal to plus 3. Solution 1. For a shell with n is equal to 3, the number of orbitals is equal to n square, which is equal to 3 square, which is equal to 9. Therefore number of electrons is equal to 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 2. Number of orbitals is equal to 2 into L plus 1 is equal to 2 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 7. Therefore number of electrons is equal to 7 into 2 is equal to 14. 3. This corresponds to only one orbital and hence it can accommodate only 2 electrons. Question 5. Which of the following orbitals are not possible? 2d, 4f, 4 grams and 6d. Solution 2d is not possible. For d sub shell L is equal to 2. When n is equal to 2, L can be 0 and 1. Since L cannot be 2 for n is equal to, hence 2d sub shell is not possible. 4f is possible. For f sub shell L is equal to 3. When n is equal to 4, L can be equal to 3. 4 grams is not possible. For G sub shell L is equal to 4. When n is equal to 4, L cannot be equal to 4. 6d is possible. For D sub shell L is equal to 2. When n is equal to 6, L can be equal to 2. At last, once again guys, if you really like my channel, Lead Entrance, top questions and answers in this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay with me. Thank you. Have a nice day.